Hi friends, welcome to Princess of Tech. This is Lakshmi Saraja. I will explain you about DBMS and its types. What is DBMS? Is a program that stores, retrieves and modifies the data in the database on request. DBMS and its types. One of the job of DBMS is not only storing the data but also arranging the data. We are having different types of DBMS. They are HDBMS, NDBMS, RDBMS. Come, let's discuss about HDBMS. The full form of HDBMS is Hierarchical Database Management System. In HDBMS, the data is going to be stored in hierarchical manner. It is nothing but tree-type structure. It means the data is stored in tree-type structure. The example of HDBMS is binary tree as shown in the figure. Here, node 1 is said to be root node because it has no parent nodes and 1 acts as parent node. 2 and 3 are childs of parent node 1. After that, parent node shifts to 2. 4 and 5 are childs of parent node 2. Then after, parent node shifts to 3. 6 and 7 are child nodes of parent node 3. In HDBMS, the data is stored in tree-type structure as shown in the figure. Searching process starts from root node. Then after, left node till leaf node. Then right node till leaf node. If you are searching for 1, then HDBMS checks root node. If it is found, then the time consuming for searching the data is less. If you are searching for 6, HDBMS checks root node. It is 1, it's not 6. So it goes to left node. It is 2, it's not 6. So it goes again left. It's 4, not 6. Node 4 has no childs. So now it goes to right. It's 5, not 6. Again it goes back to root. And then right. It's 3. It's not 6. Then it goes to left. Finally it's 6. Searching data is found here. The time consuming is more. Searching the data present in the last node as compared to the first node. Here there is no guarantee for the data will be present in the database because of some technical issues. Advantages of HDBMS. If you are searching it is present in the first node, then the time consumed for searching the data is less. Disadvantages of HDBMS. If the data you are searching if it is present in the last node, then the time consumed for searching the data is more. There is no guarantee that data will be present in the database because of some technical issues. After HDBMS, to rectify the disadvantages in HDBMS, they came up with another DBMS called as NDBMS. Discuss about NDBMS. NDBMS is nothing but Networking Database Management System. In NDBMS, the data is going to be stored in hierarchical manner along with networking structure. Networking structure means it creates direct connections with each and every node. For example, consider the following figure. Here 1 is connected with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 is connected with 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Likewise, each and every node is connected directly. So it is called as networking structure. If you are searching for 1, then the NDBMS searches 1 in the database. It first goes to the root node. 1 is present in the root node. If you want 5, then NDBMS goes to the root node. It is 1, it's not 5. Then it searches the links. First link is 4, then 2, then 5. Likewise, any data that we get easily as compared to the HDBMS. Here no data loss. Advantages of NDBMS. All the disadvantages in HDBMS are rectified. Disadvantages of NDBMS. When the number of users are increasing, the complexity of the database will be increased. After NDBMS. Again, to rectify the disadvantages in NDBMS, they came up with another DBMS called as RDBMS. RDBMS is nothing but Relational Database Management System. In RDBMS, the data is going to be stored in tabular manner. In RDBMS, the table is created along with table name and column name. The table consists of n number of rows and columns. The horizontal row of data that we are stored it as is called as record or tuple. Inside the table, the data is going to be stored, and the column name is also known as attribute. The table name is also known as entity. See you soon with next upcoming videos.